Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canvas.js. First, you'll need to include the Canvas.js library in your HTML file. You can do this by adding a script tag that points to the Canvas.js CDN or a local file. This step is crucial for accessing all the powerful charting features. Once included, you're ready to start creating your first chart with just a few lines of code. It's a straightforward process to get started. To create your first chart, begin by adding a div element to your HTML body. This div will serve as the container for your chart. Next, in your JavaScript, instantiate a new Canvas.js chart object, passing in the div's ID and your desired chart options. These options allow you to customize everything from the chart type to the data series. It's an intuitive way to visualize your data quickly and effectively. Adding data to your chart is simple. You'll define an array of data points, each with X and Y values. Canvas.js supports various data formats, making it flexible for different datasets. You can also extensively customize your chart's appearance, from colors and themes to tooltips and animations. Experiment with different properties to match your application's design. This flexibility ensures your charts look exactly how you envision them. Canvas.js offers advanced features such as zooming, panning, and exporting charts as images. These interactive elements enhance user experience and data exploration. You can also implement event handlers to respond to user clicks or hovers on chart elements, adding dynamic behavior. For very large datasets, consider optimizing performance by enabling data point skipping or using a smaller number of data points initially. It's a robust library for diverse needs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.